Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to resolve Epidemic Sound copyright claim on YouTube. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Alright, so first off, before you use any sound from Epidemic, you would need to safe list your specific YouTube account. Okay, so go ahead and go to the bottom left, click on your profile. Now go ahead over to account. Now click on Save List right here at the very top. Now go ahead and go to YouTube right here, click on it and just write down your YouTube channel's name. Okay, it will automatically pop up. Just add it right here, and then once done, go ahead and download the music or sound effects, put it on your videos, upload it to YouTube so that you won't be able to get copyright. Now let's say you've done these things and then you still have the claim. So what you can do is basically scroll down in this page and you can go ahead and add in the safe list for your video. Okay, so just make sure that your plan is at least a business or enterprise. All right, so go ahead and add in the video's URL right here, click on paste and submit. And after that, just wait for Epidemic Sound right here to reach out to YouTube and remove the copyright claim. Now let's say your Epidemic Sound plan, has ended. Well, just make sure that you have an active Epidemic Sound subscription and that your YouTube channel is connected again to the safe list section right here. And after that, the license will clear any video published while your subscription was active. So another option, let's say your channel is connected, you have a license, but on your YouTube channel, you still have the copyright. Okay, so what you'll do is just go ahead over to YouTube Studio and then go ahead over to content and check the demonetized video. Okay, the ones that have copyright in here. So what you'll do is just click on it or go ahead and open up the video and you'll be able to see the restrictions. Okay, go ahead and click on see details and then go ahead and click on take action. Okay, in here you'll have the option to erase a song, replace a song, trim out, or dispute. So go ahead and click on dispute and follow the simple prompts. Now this time, where it asks you to enter a specific message, just clearly state that you have a license from Epidemic Sound, provide your channel details, and if possible, paste the URL to your safe listed channel from your Epidemic Sound. Okay, you can go ahead and take a screenshot from here if you want to, and also write down the email that is connected to your Epidemic Sound account. All right, so another option, you've paid your subscription right here, but you still got the specific copyright. You can just go ahead and delete the video. Let's say you still have it under private or unlisted. Delete it and just re-upload it with the same exact music if you want to. Or go ahead and change it out, download fresh from here, download, edit the video, add in the music, and then re-upload. All right, and those are the ways to resolve Epidemic Sound copyright claim for YouTube. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.